me see. Gimme.
It's a penis.
Tickles.
It's touching your face. John, stop touching Kara with your penis.
She won't let go.
She's choking.
Give it back.
No.
Give it back. I need that.
Ow. No. Stop.
Boob.
No.
Boob. Vagina.
No.
Vagina.
No.
What she meant to say was fine china, which in this situation you have no fine china, so therefore you have no reason to worry.
Therefore, I like your fine chinas.
What? How do you put a plural on that? Are you videotaping her, or are you just...
No,
Yeah.
I'm not.
Lies.
Lies my ass. I just like the way the camera looks. Stop touching me.
I'm touching you.
Oh, she's humping me.
Your feet smell weird.
What's that? I wear flip-flops. How do they smell weird?
I'm leaving this dump.